far from here. What's this? It looks like a war zone. What? Stop. It won't stop. The tram won't stop. Look! The tram is stuck on automatic. Everybody hold on, that car won't explode. He's burping his steam pipe. I can't see a thing. Oh no! There he is! It's gone! We hate Jumper! He's right in front of us! I hope that pilot knows what he's doing. We're over 100 feet up! If we fall from here, we're done for!
Request permission to fire.
No, don't shoot! I repeat, do not shoot! What are you doing? We're too close! Hold on. He's gonna hit the tram! The chopper's crashed on the bridge. Hey, guys! We lost power! Where's that emergency generator? Oh, yes. We're moving. Don't worry, folks. Everything's going to be fine. Yeah, just fine. Roosevelt Station is only around the corner. We should be there in a couple of minutes. At the most! Oh my goodness, my friend's usually there! Hold on. What is that noise? Where's that light coming from? Is that another chopper? Turn your light out! Chopper, turn it out! We can't see! I said, turn it out! Oh no, he's cut us off! No matter what you do, keep your hands inside the tram! And hold on! He's picking us up! Do something! Help us! Brace yourselves! He's dropping the tram! There's Roosevelt Station! We made it! Everybody okay?
Yeah.
Great. Let's see if I can get a news update. Here we are.
This is a WWOR special report.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are looking at footage taken near the Queensboro Bridge just moments ago, where a tramload of passengers narrowly escaped disaster at the hands of King Kong. As the tram traveled high over the East River, the mighty Kong attacked, causing it to fall and nearly plummet into the water below. At the last moment, the tram operator regained control, leading the stunned passengers to safety. This reporter salutes the bravery and courage of everyone on board the tram.